4 to 5 years back only I had this problem. Vertigo, then dizziness, and then anxiety, then heart palpitation. I was just ignoring it. Yes, sir. In earlier yoga classes, they were not giving any importance to breathing. Just go to hospital. Then they were giving me drips and they're putting medication. From 1 year, I didn't visit any hospital for my this vertigo problem, and anxiety has come down, and much improvement in my health also. My weight was 66 at the starting. Now I am 60 kgs. Mainly, my acidity problem has gone. My that anxiety was little bit less, and even heart palpitation also was less. First is like it's like a family. Next to my own family, it's again a CBH family. So I took a class. The children also enjoyed a lot. So 300 plus students were there. We have to come out of our comfort zone. Earlier we didn't get this chance to do. So you have given us a chance, sir, for this.
Rajeshwari is a true example of transformation inside and out. When she joined CBH in February 2024, she was struggling with vertigo, headaches, giddiness, heart palpitations, chest burning, and constant anxiety. She often had to visit hospitals every few months for vertigo treatment. She also battled fatty liver problems that showed up year after year in her health checkups. But since joining CBH, her life has taken new turn. Her vertigo has not returned in over a year, and her fatty liver issues gone, and she feels healthier and lighter. Beyond health, Rajeshwari has discovered her voice from being a quiet homemaker to now confidently speaking in front of 300 people, teaching others and manifesting her dreams. Her journey from fear to freedom, from illness to inspiration is proof that with the right practices and right community, anyone can rise. Let's welcome Rajeshwari S. Namaste, Rajeshwari ji.
Namaste, sir.
Thank you so much for coming here
Yes, sir.
and
My
being part of
pleasure.
this podcast.
Yes, sir.
So, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, sir.
Okay, awesome.
Yes.
So, everything settled?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Great. So, Rajeshwari ji, can you please take us back, like before you have joined CBH?
Yes. Yes.
So, what were you going through, and what are the challenges you're facing, which motivated you to be part of this?
Yes, sir. So 1 year back, it was not 1 year back exactly. Some 4 to 5 years back only I had this problem. Vertigo, then dizziness, and then anxiety, then heart palpitation. I was just ignoring it. But whenever I used to get this, I used to just go to hospital. Then they were giving me drips and they were putting medication. Then after 1 or 2 hours, I was coming back home. So this was like once in 3 months, 4 months, it was like this only. Then I thought I should be doing something else other than yoga. Though I was doing yoga, but I thought when I saw your YouTube ad, then I joined 2-day workshop. Then after that, I thought, okay, something it's related to breath, which I didn't knew. So I thought, okay, let me give it a try. So then I joined your silver membership.
So, because you are already a practitioner of yoga, I think,
Yes.
before itself you are
Yes,
doing
yes.
and everything.
Yes.
So, what the difference you have seen here?
Yes, sir. In earlier yoga classes, they were not giving any importance to breathing. Like in your class, like if we want to do any movement, you are including breath also.
Yes.
So that is the main point which attracted me to the course. So I thought it will be more effective. So I thought, okay, let me give it a try. So then I made up my mind to join, as it was to improve my health. So I didn't have a second thought.
Got
I
it.
thought, okay, I'll join.
But did you see any improvements?
Yes, sir. After 3 months, I think my that anxiety was little bit less, and even heart palpitation also was less. But I was feeling these are all recorded sessions, so I wanted something more. Then again, I thought, okay, let me go for gold. But there also little more courses were there, but still I wanted something more like daily hand holding of you. So hesitatingly I asked my husband. So in one go he told, okay, you go for diamond.
Yeah. Okay.
So that made me very happy that day. So I joined diamond.
So, how do you feel after joining the diamond? Do you feel
Yes,
happy?
sir. Yes, sir. Very much happy. And from 1 year I didn't visit any hospital for my this vertigo problem, and anxiety has come down, and much improvement in my health also. I become more healthier.
Hmm. So I know, like in terms of health, you have improved a lot, and you have been very consistent practitioner.
Yes, yes.
So what really inspired you to stick to this community, like where you have been consistently practicing?
Yes, sir. There are so many things which attracted me.
Hmm.
First is like it's like a family.
Hmm.
Next to my own family, it's again a CBH family. So everybody are there to guide us there.
Hmm.
So if any problem is there, we can share with them, which we can't share with our family members.
Yeah.
So that made me that if I'm consistent in this, so I'll get more benefit.
Hmm.
So I thought from then I'm consistently doing it.
So what other things have you implemented here?
Here is one is diet plan which Bhavi ma'am gave.
Hmm.
My weight was 66 at the starting. So she gave me personalized diet plan.
Hmm.
By that now I am 60 kgs.
Hmm.
So that is one happy thing about that. And also mainly my acidity problem has gone, sir.
Hmm.
Earlier, if I used to eat little spicy food or outside, I would have that heart burning, and evening or night also I would feel like I'm getting more heart palpitations.
Hmm.
Now that's all not there.
Hmm.
So in that more improvement is there, so in my health.
So what helped you to like reduce your heart palpitations or anxiety?
More of this is doing regular yoga practice first thing, and prana healing sessions though we are attending,
Hmm.
and diet plan also.
Hmm.
All these three helped me.
Got it. Got it.
Yes.
So I know that like you have been an introvert
Yes.
before you don't like to speak to others and address more
Yes,
gatherings and
sir.
come in public.
Yes.
So what shifted in you, like
Sir,
to come
during
out?
my college days when I was going to do any presentation, I still remember my hands were shivering like anything. So I could not face the people. Like it was a small place, only my classmates only.
Hmm.
But now when you gave me an offer of conducting sessions,
Hmm.
then I thought, okay, let me give it a try. First, I conducted this 5-day master this workshop.
Hmm.
Though they were my friends, I was a little more confidence in talking to them.
Hmm.
So first time I was conducting the class, and they also liked it very much. So that whatever I was telling, they were coordinating with him, practicing. So then when I went to my native, so my mother told there is my yoga class. Then if you want to do, you can try.
Hmm.
I thought, okay, let me give it a try. So there were some 14 ladies.
Hmm.
So I took a class, and it was in my mother tongue, in Kannada.
Hmm.
So little bit I was feeling difficult to get the correct words in Kannada, but I managed to do. Then again those people asked my mother, can she do in a school?
Hmm.
So then I thought, I asked how many students are there. Then my mother told some 300 students. Then I thought, how can I face 300 students? So, but she encouraged me, even my husband also. He told, okay, you just give it a try. Then my daughter came with me. Then I thought, I went and just stayed calm for some time. Then I took a session. The children also enjoyed a lot. So 300 plus students were there.
Wow.
Even the teachers also liked. And after I came back to Bangalore, those teachers were asking, it seems, again, when your daughter will come, let her take a class. So I was more confident. So that has helped me a lot.
So what helped you to become confident and face the people now?
That is in ourselves, but we have to come out of our comfort zone. Earlier, we didn't get this chance to do. So you are given us a chance, sir, for this. So for that, I am very happy.
So how did your lifestyle changed after coming here?
Lifestyle is like I have become more confident in facing the people. That is one thing. And eating habits also I have changed a lot. Early dinner, then including salads, having more water. And whenever we used to eat junk food or something, then consciously we were, oh, this is not good for health. So that I implemented. And more of tea, coffee. Tea though I have not be taking, but coffee though I have reduced it. Sir. So little changes will give more impact on our lifestyle. Yes, sir.
Got it. So like what are the most impactful things in our whole program for you?
Whole program, if you open the portal only, so many courses are there. It is like all-round development only, sir. So
Yeah,
gut
but is
health,
it like mainly like Wednesday wisdom sessions help you,
yeah, that,
or like which one like our habit tracking,
yeah,
or is it like some of the guest lectures,
yeah.
or which one did you like most?
Wednesday wisdoms are so very special, sir. We got so much of knowledge, and main thing is I like chanting sessions. So which I'm very much used to chant shlokas and all in my school days. Till state level, I had gone for in Bhagavad Gita.
Wow.
So I thought, oh, this chanting session is something new. So from day one, I have attended the chanting sessions. I'm loving it. And even prana healing sessions also, as you told, should be done during night times. So that is also I'm liking.
Got it. So I knew that like you also started writing your goals
Yes,
on weekly basis.
Yes.
So you have shared that you manifested one thing about your daughter and
Yes.
it came into reality.
Yes, yes.
So could you please explain us like what is the process you have followed and what it happened?
Yes, sir. My daughter was studying in 12th standard. So she was also putting more efforts only, but you were telling manifestation will make wonders. So I thought, I was hearing from many people that manifestation, if we manifest, it will come true. So I thought, okay, let me give it a try. Then I started writing that my daughter should get a seat in top college in Bangalore. So we were not at all having hope that she will do it. But when the COMEDK result came, she was not ready to open and see also what ranking she got. Then I told, okay, just see if you got means okay, otherwise we'll go for other college. But luckily when counseling started, she got in the top college, RV college.
Wow.
So that day I thought manifestation also makes wonders.
Awesome.
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes.
So how has your family reacted after seeing this transformation in you?
Yes, sir. Family to everybody are very supportive. So if I tell something, they will obey. Even my daughter also. Now to both daughters are in hostel. I was little upset about that, but on that day you told, see, it is good for their future.
Yes.
So that day actually I became very emotional when I was telling that even my younger one is going to hostel. But after you told that, I thought, okay, it is her future. So I should become
about the
strong.
love and attachment.
Yes, love and attachment.
So,
So I became strong, sir. And one more thing, I never stayed alone in home these many years. But when she went to hostel and my husband was out, so I stayed alone in my house and community members were messaging and asking, are you all right? Are you all right? So much love and affection they have, sir, towards community.
Yeah.
Yes.
You have mentioned that you also have fatty liver.
Yes, sir.
So could you please explain us
Yes, so from 3 years, I regularly go for health checkups every year. But from 3 years, that fatty liver problem was there. So this time when I went, the doctor saw the reports and she told, all your parameters are so good, you are maintained very well. And I asked, what about my fatty liver? And she told, no, it's gone. It's normal. So I was thinking from 3 years it was there. I was thinking what to do to get rid of this. So, but it was gone. So all my parameters were normal. So for that I am very happy.
Wow,
Yes.
very good.
Yes.
So what is your message for the people who are looking to join our community or like who are thinking? Right, so like people like your homemakers.
Yes.
So like they do a lot for their family,
Yes.
but they in the process they forget about themselves.
Yes.
So what is your message to them?
Homemaker means we have to never think that we are less than anybody.
Yes.
We are doing more work than the job goers. And one more thing, what I like in this community was whenever we got assignments, I was little that software and all. I am not at all comfortable, sir. So when you gave assignment, then I asked my daughter, see this much assignment is there, how to do. I took her help, so she helped me. Then I was able to do on my own, then upload it and send you the mail. Then I thought, okay, I can also do something. Then I was taking regular Kannada classes offline. Then a call came to take for online class.
Okay.
So that was why I was not confident. So I thought again I asked my daughter. Then again she helped me. And now easily I am able to do that. So if we make up our mind, we can do anything, sir.
Absolutely,
So we
absolutely.
should not think that we are homemakers, we are less than others. We can do wonders.
So that means everybody has that potential.
Yes, yes.
It's just like you are stopping yourself
Yes.
to do
We have
that.
to come out of our comfort level.
Exactly.
That is the thing what I learned here.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, sir.
So like after seeing your journey from like going through all the challenges and now, so what do you like to say?
If we make up our mind, and CBH is like, as you told, it's like a university. We will make wonders in all the sessions there. So not only spiritually, mentally, physically, everything is there, sir. It is like one-stop solution for all the problems. So I would like to tell that with no thinking, no second thought, whatever we are paying, we are getting more than that. So I would like to suggest that everyone should go for diamond. Yes, sir.
Got
And you are also giving chance for breath healers also, so that they can start their career. Like so many are already started. So I want to do that also.
Yeah. So what really inspired you to become a breath healer?
So what problems I was facing, first of all, I want others also to come out of that.
Yes.
And it is like financially independent will become.
Exactly.
So that I want to focus.
Absolutely.
Though our husbands are my husband is giving money without asking anything, but it will be like our money. So financial independence will get. So that I want to tell for all the housewives.
And also you want to help the people who are suffering like
people,
you.
Yes, people should come out of the sufferings.
Hmm.
For that I want to help them. I'm soon going to start classes also, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Rajeshwari ji, and
Yes,
super inspiring. Thank you so much for being consistently practicing in our community and being one of the member. So I did not know that you also know Bhagavad Gita chanting.
Yes,
So
sir.
I think we should soon start that classes in
Yes,
our
sir.
community.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes.
Okay then. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Namaste.
much. Thank you.